Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change dynamic bass settings on your Finlux 39 FHF 5150. So in order to do that we'll need to press the red home button on our pilot and then navigate this menu by pressing the arrow keys. So let's move to the settings and press OK. From here go to the right and find system. Press OK in order to confirm it, and from here move to the left till you find the sound settings. Now scroll down and select Advanced Settings and then press OK. After doing so, we'll be able to find dynamic bass and change it from on or off. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.